Hey, I have a second channel. Cube Comp MTDX. Hey everybody. So here we have the Windows 11 test rig up and running again. So this system has, go into Task Manager, I can show you. It's got an AMD A6 6420K APU. It has about 8 gigs of RAM, and of course some of that memory is being used by the onboard, or the APU itself. It's got a 240 gig SSD. CPU is running, or the APU processor is running at 4.6 gigahertz. So this computer does not meet the Windows 11 minimum system requirements. See if I have this installed on here. The PC health check. I might not. And of course I have start all back on here as well, which gives us the classic start menu. Anyways, so the system does not actually meet the minimum requirements. Go into MS Info 32. We're running Windows 11 Pro. This is the I think it's the 21H1 build of Windows 11. If I go into the system, let's see, about. It's 21H2. So running Windows 11 21H2 on this system, which does not meet the minimum requirements. The question some of y'all may have is, okay, do you receive updates for Windows, including security updates? Because one of the things that I think Microsoft had stated about installing Windows 11 on unofficial hardware, on computers that don't meet the minimum requirements, is that you're kind of on your own for support, that we're not supporting you, and that one of those claims could include security updates and patches. Well, this computer hasn't been started up in over a month. It's definitely been a while. I want to say it may have been March since the last time this thing has ran. But I plugged it in tonight, and I got Windows Update running, and you can see it is in fact downloading and installing updates. We got cumulative updates. Of course, we got this May update here, KB 5014019, and of course got the MSRT there. Got an April update for Windows 11 for 64-based systems. Security intelligence update for Microsoft Defender antivirus. So I mean, we're getting definition updates for the built-in Defender. So it's installing this big cumulative update right now. But if we go into update, let's see, I think advanced options. I did select an optional update in here, but everything is still, I think, set to default in here. I didn't really go in here and do much, but I do have these policies set on here. Notified of download updates, and this is the little trick that worked on Windows 10. Also works on Windows 11. Is if you're on the Pro version, you can set the group policy to notify the download updates instead of automatically downloading and installing updates. Give you a little bit of control over updates. So the funny thing is I don't have any hardware here that officially meets those requirements on Windows 11. Even the Cubic Tower Lux, which it has a Ryzen 7 1700X, which does not meet the minimum requirements. The system otherwise does. I mean, it has TPM 2.0 and it has secure boot, all that good stuff. But the CPU does not meet the requirements. And I did actually do a test update on the Mid-Tower Lux, and it ran Windows 11 beautifully. I mean, this system here runs it good too. But so yeah, I can't do a side-by-side comparison of what updates get installed on a system that does meet the requirements versus a system that does not meet the requirements. But I can say we are indeed getting updates. I'm not sure what's going on here. Maybe just let these other updates download and install. But like I say, it does appear that we're getting updates on this thing. Can't say that we're getting every single one, but it could be a case of, you know, Microsoft saying one thing and allowing another, kind of like how they did years ago when Windows 10 came out with the Get Windows 10 app. The supposedly the Windows 10 free upgrade for Windows 7 and Windows 8 would only be available for a year, but the truth is, even on this day, you could still upgrade Windows 7 to Windows 10 using the existing Windows 7 license. So it could be that, who knows, Microsoft is silently in the background relaxing some of the things that they stated, like, oh, you won't get updates, blah blah blah. Can't say, of course, can't give you the recommendation to run Windows 11 on system hardware that does not meet the requirements, because of course you could run into issues later on. But it does appear that we are getting updates, and really, to be honest, it wouldn't make sense for Microsoft to not allow systems that are not in the minimum requirements, or systems that don't meet the minimum requirements. It wouldn't make sense to block important security updates, because, of course, when you have lots of computers out there on the internet that are not getting updates, that makes things more risky for us all. So, if you do have a system that does not meet the requirements for Windows 11, but you have Windows 11 installed on it anyway, using one of the various methods to install it, it does appear that you will actually get updates, like security patches and things like that, and cumulative updates for the operating system, among other things. So that's just my observations on the matter on this system here. So anyways, hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.
Well, everybody, that wraps it up for this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the computer channel, and be sure to tick that bell so you'll get notified when new videos are posted. Also, don't forget, I have a whole lot of other interesting videos here on the channel to check out. And also, in addition, I have a second channel, CubeCompMTDX, where I have all sorts of other videos not exactly related to technology. Links to the channels are available at the end of this video. Again, I thank you for your support, and thanks for watching this video.